Hello, Sun Warriors, people of Empire, Beelzebub followers, and the people that like to watch me cook. I am going to be making a smoothie from a Ninja blender that I got for Christmas. So I've been making smoothies almost every single day, and it feels really good. I prefer smoothies over coffee because the fruits give you natural sugars instead of caffeine. So it's all your choice. So I'm gonna show you what I make. So the first thing I do is I love strawberries. So you can get frozen strawberries at the store, or most stores from wherever you're from, if that's available. Frozen is fine instead of fresh. If you want, it's gonna be a little bit cheaper to get frozen, and I haven't noticed the difference. If you wanna get all like economical about it, get fresh, I don't know. So you're gonna put a healthy amount of frozen strawberries in there. Frozen stuff always goes in first. So you're gonna put your frozen stuff in first. Next, I'm gonna add a little bit of pineapple, just a little bit. And you don't have to watch me open the bag. Beelzebub's gonna fast forward through here with a little bit of magic. Just kidding, that was really fast, no need to. So, this time I'm actually gonna do even strawberry and even pineapple. Pineapple gives it a little bit of zest. It's okay to have a vacuum cleaner while you're doing this. This one I call Lily.
Good job, Lily.
So I normally only do like a few chunks of pineapple, but I'm actually gonna do kind of like half and half today because normally at the end I put a fresh banana at the top, about half of a banana, but I'm out of bananas. So this one's just gonna be about half strawberry and half pineapple. It's gonna have like a lot of tang to it because I don't know the official words, but it's gonna be tangy, you know? Next, you're gonna want vanilla yogurt. Now you can choose any type of like yogurt that you like. I like vanilla yogurt because I like the vanilla flavor. So you can choose low fat depending on what you're trying to do. Sometimes yogurt like builds up this like liquid. I just drain that. I don't know why it does that. So I take about like 3 spoonfuls, 1, 2. Now that's usually about enough for this type of much, this amount. But I like to do 3 just because I like that little extra yogurt taste, right? Because I like yogurt. Good stuff. All right, next, what you're gonna do is add some honey. Honey, I don't really know different types of honey. This type I have is called the Honey House. It's in a cute little bear bottle. I like it. And this is probably about much you need. This is about how much I add. So it all depends on how much money you have. That's what I love about making smoothies with this blender. We're not even endorsed by it, you know? I just love blenders now because I like making my own smoothies. All right, so now the last we're gonna do liquid. So there's a lot of different types of liquid you can do. Most people will suggest 2% milk. We're actually out of milk. And when I'm out of milk, I like to use almond milk, vanilla almond milk. We're also out of that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of half and half. Now this, I don't really recommend. Half and half kind of has like a lot of fat. So if you're trying to do this for like health reasons, you know, or trying to drink healthier, half and half is kind of like, it's gonna give you that thick texture that Beelzebub doesn't like. But what we're gonna use today is this organic coconut vanilla milk, and my sister and my mom got this, and it's pretty good. Now I say that because it's good in a smoothie. I drank this alone and I'm not a big fan, so, but yeah, I'm just gonna fill it up. Now, and you're gonna keep pouring until you just submerge it, right? Now, you're gonna look at that and you're gonna say, wow, like, what are you trying to make a drink or a smoothie here? Trust me, this is going to turn into like a, kind of like almost still gonna be like kind of a paste. So now what you wanna do is, most of these blenders will come with a little black stick that Belzebel is washing. So we're gonna get that out because we need that. Now, if you're wearing glasses, wait for them to unfog after that. So every blender is a little bit different. If you're gonna get like a kind of a cheap blender, not cheap, I shouldn't say cheap, just inexpensive. This is a really fancy blender. You're gonna pulse it on medium for a few times and you're gonna tamper this stuff in. But we're just gonna click frozen drink. There's a smoothie option too, but I found frozen drink to be a little bit better with this one. So we're gonna click the frozen drink, and Belzebel is going to make sure that this sound is not too loud for when you're listening. All right, so I kind of pushed it down as it went, just to kind of like break up any air pockets and stuff like that. But now you're good to go. You're gonna choose the cup of your choice. All right, check that out, guys. So there you go. You can see that it's kind of got like this milkshake type flavor texture to it. Oh, that's so good.
Well done.
Just be a little bit careful when you put it in. That's what she said. There you go. And then this probably serves about like 4 of these. And then make sure that you have a place in your fridge for it. So, and there you go. So we can go over what we used, and Belzebel can put it on the screen over here, or here, or here, or whatever. So frozen strawberries, frozen pineapple, vanilla yogurt, honey, and then your choice of milk. It can be coconut milk. In this one, we use coconut milk with a little bit of half and half. I prefer vanilla almond milk. So it's all up to you, however you want to do it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all of Belzebel's current supporters, donators? What do you call them these days?
Donators.
Donators, berserkers, right?
Berserkers, yeah, I can be berserkers.
And you guys are fucking awesome. Oh, bleep that out. All right, sorry guys. Thank you.
Smoothie too.
Oh yeah. So there you go. Ah.